Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is quick update to the next version of Windows 10, which is 20H2. Of course, we've been talking about this because I installed it on my main PC, and it works great. And of course, it's close, if not almost completed, pretty much. Now, a few little things that we are learning today, according to some rumors, is that so we're talking about a release this fall. That hasn't changed, but what has maybe changed is how far into the fall will this be released. So last year we had the same type of install as this year. So what we have this year is that we get a big update, which is the May 2020 update, still rolling out right now, but we'll have, of course, the cumulative update, which is a small update for the fall. And that's what happened last year with the May 2019 update and a small cumulative update that would upgrade to the November 2019 update. What is interesting is last year, the last version was in November. It would seem that this year, Microsoft is focusing on an early fall release. And some rumors put it at possibly early October. So that would mean they want to try to get this out as soon as possible to change into that new way of upgrading next year. As we know that next year is going to be one and only one Windows 10 update, and it will be in the second half of 2021. So that would mean that they could easily and early on start actually shifting some of their teams to work on Windows 10 X. That is going to be the first release next year. So Windows 10 X is going to be the first half of the year. Windows 10 feature update will be second half of 2021. A lot of you have been asking me about how this is going to affect the 18-month schedule. Well, there's no word about this yet. Right now, Windows 10 stays in an 18-month schedule for updates. So when you get a new version of Windows 10, like if you get the Windows 10 May 2020 update now, you have 18 months from the month of the release until it expires, which means, in this case, late 2021. That would put this version in sync with what's going to happen in 2021 with the new feature update. One of the things also that a lot of you have been asking me is, will they get the same updates, the May 2020 update and the cumulative updates that they get in security and bug fixes? Yes, all of that will be synced. That's why their build number is very close, 19041 versus 19042 for 20H2. The other thing is the next version this fall. So we've seen a little bit of new, menus, and when you look at how all of this looks, it's slightly different. Not a lot of things, it's not major, but there's a little bit of stuff that's going to be there. One of the things that we know is that the new Edge Chromium browser, the new Edge, is going to be bundled with the fall update. That means if you would update to the fall update this year, 20H2, and still were not on Edge, the new Edge, well, the new Edge will be part of that. And starting with 20H2, the new Edge browser will be the only browser bundled with Windows 10. So that's pretty much it. So maybe an earlier release than we think, and I think 2021 with Windows 10 X and Windows 10 feature update in the second half is going to be an interesting year to check out for the operating system, that's for sure. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.